You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how I made up to 287,000 naira from just one platform alone. If you really want to see exactly how I made this particular amount of money from just one platform alone, then follow me all the way till the end of this video while I show you the step-by-step process on how I actually made this money for this particular platform. If you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Johnpaul Onwueme, a blogger and an affiliate marketer. If you want to join my affiliate marketing business mentorship program, check out the first link in the video description. Go down to the video description below and click the first link in the video description, and you will be able to join my affiliate marketing business mentorship program. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me go straight and show you exactly how I made up to 287,000 naira just from one platform alone. And I will also show you the particular platform that I used to make this particular money. Let's go immediately.
This is the particular website which I used to make up to 287,000 naira. As you can see here, lifetime earnings, which is 287,510 naira, right? This is the amount I have already made on this platform. The name of this platform is Owodaily. The link to register on this platform is in the video description. Now, I'm going to show you some of my withdrawal history, right? Let me scroll down and show you some of my withdrawal history. You see this withdrawal history, as you can see, approved, this one approved, this one approved. If I continue scrolling down, you see other ones as you can see them. Then these are, as you can see, these are pages. If I continue clicking on next, it is going to open these pages, right? So I cannot go through all these pages right now, but I have just showed you how much I have been able to make on this platform and some of my withdrawal history, right? Now I'm going to show you some of the things you can be able to do on this platform to make money, right? If I go here and click on jobs, look at jobs right here. Once I click on jobs, I click on available jobs, right? So let's wait for it to open. So these are available jobs right here. These are jobs you can complete. As you can see, all these are jobs you can do to make money from this platform, right? So this one right here is Instagram job, right? So they are going to pay you 10 naira once you complete this job. This is Instagram also. This is Facebook comment job, right? You just need to post a comment on a Facebook post and you get paid. It is as simple as that. Now if I scroll down, you see other jobs you can do, right? There are many jobs on this platform you can do every day to make money from this platform, right? So as you can see, if you continue clicking the next button, as you can see them right here, it is going to open more and more jobs for you, right? It is going to open more and more jobs for you. So this is one way you can make money from this platform. Now another way you can use to make money from this platform is through the referral program, right? You can earn up to 2,500 naira for each person that join Owodaily using your affiliate link. So for you to copy your affiliate link, just scroll up right here, click on the menu icon, then you click right here, click right here. Once you click it, you are going to see copy invite URL. This is it here, copy invite URL. So you can copy this and use this to refer people to Owodaily, and once they register, you are going to get 2,500 naira referral bonus, right? So as you can see, it is very, very simple.
So guys, I just showed you a particular platform that I used to make up to 287,000 naira, right? So now the next thing I'm going to show you right now is what you can actually do to make good amount of money from Owodaily that I just showed you right now. Now, the strategy which I personally use to do my business is content creation. Yes, content creation. When you hear about content creation, there are many ways you can do your content creation, right? But I personally do my own content creation on YouTube and my blog. So YouTube and blog are one of the best platforms you can use to promote your business, right? I'm going to tell you why they are one of the best, if not the best. Now, if you go to YouTube right now and do a search, for instance, how to make money online in Nigeria. If you go right now on YouTube and search that particular topic, you are going to see tons and tons of videos from different people showing you exactly how to make money online in Nigeria, right? And if you also go over to Google right now and also search how to make money online in Nigeria, you are also going to see tons and tons of blogs showing you exactly how to make money online in Nigeria. Now, once they are showing you the exact way to make money online in Nigeria, they are going to attach their affiliate link or referral link in the video description, right? If they are doing a video, they are going to attach their affiliate or referral link in their video description. The same thing applies to blogging. If they are showing you exactly how to do a particular thing, how to make money from a particular thing, they are going to attach their affiliate or referral link in that particular post, so that if you read that post or watch the video, and if you are interested to join that particular business, you are actually going to use their own link to register, because they have already provided you that link, so that once you finish reading that particular post or finish watching that particular video, so you don't need to go elsewhere to look for affiliate link or to look for the link of that business to join. You will easily click their link and register on that platform. So as you can see, this is a very good way to promote your business online and get tons and tons of people to register with your affiliate link. So guys, if you want to make money from Owodaily, I highly recommend you start content creation today. Yes, content creation pays very, very well, right? It is a very good marketing strategy. It is a very good place to market your product or to promote your business or service online, right? Take this from me today. So guys, if you want to join Owodaily today and make good amount of money from this particular platform, I highly encourage you to take advantage of that their referral program to make more and more money for yourself, right? Now let me tell you, I personally make more money from the referral aspect than doing the task itself, right? Because each referral I get on Owodaily, I make a whopping 2,500 naira. As you can see, it is very, very lucrative if you focus more on the referral aspect than doing the task or jobs itself, right? I'm not telling you not to perform those jobs, but what I'm trying to say is that while you are doing those jobs on Owodaily, you focus more on bringing people to the platform, right? Using your affiliate link. By doing that, you are going to make even more money than you expect. So I want you to go right now and give it a trial from today, right? Go down to the video description. You are going to see Owodaily registration link. So click on that link, register your account. The registration fee is just 5,000 naira. Once you create an account, go ahead and activate your account with just 5,000 naira. Once you activate your account, you will be able to start using the platform to make money for yourself. So apart from doing the jobs and referring other people to join that program, there are also other different ways you can actually make money from Owodaily, right? So I am not going to cover that in this video. That is going to be in my subsequent videos, right? So I highly encourage you to subscribe to this channel so that when I make more and more videos about this platform, you are going to be able to get notified by YouTube once I publish those videos. If you enjoyed watching this particular video, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload the videos, you are going to be the first to get notified by YouTube. Don't forget, if you want to join my affiliate marketing mentorship program, check out the first link in the video description.